It's a new year and a new you in 2023, and it's time for a Blending with Henry Vitamix giveaway. Let's do this. Alright, let's get this jump started. I teamed up with Vitamix and we're giving away a giant Vitamix package. The Vitamix Ascent A2300, the Vitamix Food Processor Attachment, and I also teamed up with the company iSi to join in on the giveaway to include this amazing cream whipper called the Gourmet Whip. You guys know I love my Vitamix, but I have been literally obsessed with the iSi Gourmet Whip. Now you've seen this used at Starbucks for whipped cream, and just about every restaurant establishment uses this same one and the same brand. Simple to use, pour in your favorite whipping cream or dairy-free coconut cream from the can, plus sweetener and vanilla. Install the nitrous oxide cream charger onto the canister. Give it a few shakes and refrigerate it for an hour. Now you have fresh whipped topping with no preservatives. This is dairy-free coconut whipped topping. Now you can prepare your cream in the Vitamix with different flavors, such as me mixing in the strawberry topping. And now you get strawberry whipped topping, fresh and easy. The iSi Gourmet Whip works with warm and cold applications, and you can buy optional accessories for it. The links will be below the video. Now this is what you get in the package, and it includes 3 decorator tips. And iSi is also throwing in a sample pack of the nitrous oxide cream chargers. The Vitamix Ascent A2300 is the next level up from the classic Vitamix machines with digital timer and lifestyle styling, and it comes with a 64-ounce container. You can make nut butters, fresh homemade pineapple salsa. Now this is dairy-free ranch dip made with cashews, water, and ranch flavors. You can make some delicious salad dressings. And how about these easy-to-make frozen mint mojitos? And you can make delicious tomato soup or indulge yourself with creamy, rich milkshakes. And last but not least, the smoothest whole fruit smoothies. The Vitamix Food Processor Attachment is the most popular new Vitamix accessory, and it sits right on top of the Vitamix Ascent A2300. And it comes with multiple cutting discs so you can food prep for parties, make your own pizza dough, and I use it often to make potato chips. And I created the dough to make fresh baked bread on the left, and I sliced all the veggies to make the salad dressing on the right. Now this is the package you'll receive from Vitamix. It's the A2300 Smart Prep Kitchen System. Together with the iSi Gourmet Whip, I call this the Vitamix Health and Wellness Package. Blending with Henry is about to hit 50,000 subscribers on YouTube, and that's huge in the blending world. So I want to get to that milestone, and I need your help. Please subscribe, have your friends subscribe, and you gotta join this contest to win this big Vitamix package. So if you want to get this package, here are the contest rules. Alright you guys, now to enter the Vitamix Health and Wellness giveaway, you must subscribe to my YouTube channel, like me on Facebook or follow me on Instagram, and post a comment why the Vitamix Ascent A2300 Health and Wellness package would benefit your life. Now you must have a valid Facebook or Instagram account and tag 3 friends on either social media account to alert them about the Blending with Henry contest. Now the winner will be chosen randomly between Facebook and Instagram. One Vitamix package awarded to one winner is for USA only. The giveaway runs from January the 18th, 2023 through January the 25th, 2023. Now the winner will be chosen and announced following the end of the giveaway. And one more big thing. Blending with Henry is now on TikTok, so please be kind and follow me. I'll have the link below the video. And I'll be dedicating it to recipe shorts, often consisting of Vitamix blender recipes. And one of my fan favorites already is the Starbucks Frappuccino Copycat. Huh, who knew? So you guys gotta check that out. So, best of luck to all who enter the contest. I wish I could give you guys all one, but I only have one to give away. So let's have some fun with this, and I'll be back soon with the announcement of the winner.